how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. And if you are not my bestie yet, welcome. I hope you hit the red subscribe button and become my bestie as well. That way we're gonna be in touch. Are you ready to do some last minute Easter decorating? I still have so many ideas. It's never too late, right? Let's get started.
Are you wondering if Coco has carrot clips in her hair? Yes, she does. And I know many of you have fur babies, so I'll quickly show you. Dollar Tree sells these mini carrots. They're lightweight. All you have to do is attach them to little clips, like I had leftover clips from the roses. You might have watched me make the sugar egg. I'm so glad I saved those little clips. They came in handy. Just add a dab of hot glue and stick your carrot on top. Ta-da! You got cute little clips. Everybody who saw Coco today commented how cute she looks with her little carrot clips. I don't think she even feels she has them on.
She's the most precious little girl, what?
All right, we gotta do some decorating.
I have some leftovers from decorating my fireplace. Some deco mesh, ribbons, a little bit of greenery. I'm gonna add a giant carrot I got on sale at Hobby Lobby. If not, maybe you can find this $5 pillow at Target Dollar Spot. And might as well use this up.
And if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it for you in the description box because that technique is really great for any holiday. So today I'm going to decorate this lamp post that I got on sale at Walmart. For some reason, it's not on sale on their website, but it's easy to make your own. You buy one of those even solar post lights, maybe the taller one. You stick it in a nice urn, and then all you need is a little wreath around there. And I'll show you how to decorate it. As a matter of fact, let me know. If you like, I can DIY a lamp post. Let's say for 4th of July, for the summer. All right, so I have leftovers here. 4 pieces of 10 by 10 mesh and ribbon tails 12 inches long. I have 2 of each type. And I'm going to fold in the opposite corners of this mesh square to the center and pinch it together. Make like a little bow, just like that. Looks messy, but it really holds the ribbon well. And then you are going to crisscross 2 pieces of ribbon, pinch in the center, put it on top of the mesh, and then we are going to tie it together with a pipe cleaner. Simple little bundle, but it's inexpensive to make, and it will do a great job of covering up that pine. Let's do another one. 2 opposite corners towards the center. Run your fingers across and pinch, and you have a little bow tie. Crisscross 2 ribbons. Now let's take 2 other colors. Pinch in the center, put it on top of the mesh, and tie it all together. I made 4, 2 of each type. Feel free to do more. I'm working with leftovers here. Before I attach them, I'm gonna add my carrot. It's not worth $25. Wait for clearance. And I added here, I'm thinking at an angle, just like that. And you might want to tie it with a floral wire or with the pine tips. I think this is good. There are berries and pine cones attached to my wreath, so I'm tucking them in so they're not going to be so visible. And then I'm going to cover the rest with my little bundles. There's a pipe cleaner in the back of each, so I'm just going to wrap around the pine tips. You can also use the pine tips to twist tie. Whatever works for you. Another one on this side. Turn and 2 more on the other side. Let's just tuck those berries and pine cones in. and then cover with our bundles. And I've been thinking about this for a while. There's so many decorations that we store year round and use them maybe 1 month out of the year. We got to think about it. What can we pull out, change it up a little bit, add a bow, add a little bit greenery or a decor piece, and reuse it, you know? Like a little truck, for example. This used to be for Christmas, and now we decorate it for every holiday. And by the way, stay tuned through the end of the video. I'll show you how I used it in my sister's Easter decor. Take a look. I think you can already barely tell this is a Christmas lamp post. Still have to cover up a little more, but we're getting there. We didn't do much at all yet. Oh, somebody needs a belly rub. Okay. Somebody loves her belly rubs. I know you are so cute. I just thought about it. How about I add this bunny rabbit? It's not that big, but it's cute with the carrots. Let me give it a try. I put a pipe cleaner around his neck, and I'm gonna attach it to the post on the side, like on one of the branches here. What do you think? I think I like it. I'm just gonna insert some greenery over there in between. And remember this garland? I got it on sale at Hobby Lobby for $7.50. I used up most of it on the fireplace garland. Still have some leftovers here that I separate to pieces and add around my lantern post. So what a good deal that was. And lastly, I like to add some eggs. This is all I have left over. I mean, out of the large eggs. But we're gonna make it work, you know, not necessarily. I like the glitter, I like the flax. I wish I had more. I wrap it around the pine branches. You know, you can wrap it around a couple times so it hangs shorter. And one more on the opposite side.
Did we forget about a cherry on top? Oh no.
Oh, that just makes me so happy because everything ties in together with the Peter Rabbit and the carrot patch and my cherry blossom and the whole garden scene over here. Look at this dog. Can you believe her? Scooch over, Coco. What? What? You want to sit down here? Yes? It's not comfortable enough for you? Let me rest a minute. Oh, what are you doing? Getting comfy? Getting comfortable here? Oh my goodness, I love her so much. She would sit on my lap all day long if she could. Would you like to see how I decorated my sister's little truck for Easter? You know how we do. She does my hair and I'll do her decor.
Before, after.
Little track is another piece of decoration, if I might say, that we change up for every season. Today we are going to add some tulips and little eggs. I like to use a pool noodle instead of floral foam because you just get more for your dollar. So we insert 3 large pieces in the back, and then we add some greenery leaves in each corner before we fill in with the flowers. And if you work with one color at a time, it's easier to just space it all out. And now to cover up that pool noodle, you can use the moss or eggs. And my sister has all different sizes of eggs, which is great because I can fill in every nook and cranny. No, my sister is not going to let me get away with this so easily. We got some pussy willow from Trader Joe's. This was $5. I love pussy willow for Easter. We are going to put it in 2 little vases on each side of her fireplace. And that tobacco basket above her fireplace, we just added a small wreath there with letter H for her last name and a small bow. Next, we are going to add these adorable bunnies that my sister has. Look at that fella with the green coat. And she is so cute with her pink dress. And now the little white track completes the look. And before I let you go, my besties, I want to show you my little niece, Eleni. I got her some makeup, so she was in heaven. I think you know who is her favorite aunt now, right? Isn't she precious? Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. I love you. Bye-bye.